Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Before you click buy, here is the quick buyer-friendly breakdown of the office setup. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Furniture riser is made of pine, solid wood. Protects furniture and floors, ensuring durability. More stable and that can make it more useful in everyday situations. Increased height and storage space under beds and furniture makes cleaning under furniture easier, especially for. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Each furniture riser can bear a load of 500 kilograms. Ideal for beds, sofas, desks, cabinets, nightstands, TV cabinets. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are better setup, daily comfort, and space saver. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict: the office setup looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.